The current crypto fear and greed index stands at 56, indicating a neutral to slightly bullish sentiment among investors. Such an index helps gauge market investor emotions, which can influence trading behaviors. A rising index suggests increasing optimism and may signal a market rally. Conversely, a low index indicates fear and could foretell a dip. Currently, a score of 56 suggests moderate confidence. This might encourage some traders to enter long positions. Overall, this index is a useful indicator for gauging market psychology. It can also hint at upcoming trends, either confidence boosting prices or caution leading to consolidation. Mediobanca's investors tendered around 13% of shares in a major bid for Banca Monte dei Paschi di Siena. This marks a significant step in the ongoing banking consolidation in Italy. The move could strengthen Mediobanca's position and possibly trigger further mergers and acquisitions activity in the sector. For crypto markets, increased activity in the banking sector can lead to positive spillovers. Banks may seek diversification or alternative investment opportunities, which might include digital assets. Overall, this development suggests that financial institutions are stabilizing. It could potentially boost investor confidence across markets, including cryptocurrencies. Large institutional players are accumulating Ethereum at an impressive pace, with nearly $882 million worth being bought by BitMine and a major whale. Such significant accumulation suggests strong institutional confidence in Ethereum's long-term prospects. This kind of buying pressure can serve as a bullish indicator, potentially pushing prices higher as demand increases. For crypto traders, this signals that Ethereum remains a preferred asset among big players, possibly leading to price rallies and heightened market interest. Expect positive sentiment to ripple through the Ethereum space and beyond. Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds have seen an enormous surge, with $40 billion in trading volume over just 1 week. The week also marked Ethereum ETFs hitting a record-breaking $17 billion in volume, and Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs of $124,000. This robust activity reflects growing institutional participation and investor confidence. Such high volumes often precede major price movements, indicating that the next crypto breakout could be imminent. This development is highly bullish, as increased ETF activity typically attracts more retail and institutional investors, fueling further rally potential. Crypto exchange Gemini has filed for an initial public offering, aiming to list as GEMI on the U.S. stock exchange. If successful, Gemini joins the ranks of major crypto firms going public, boosting mainstream acceptance. This move can positively influence the crypto scene by reducing stigma and encouraging institutional investments. For the market, Gemini's initial public offering signals confidence in crypto's future legitimacy. This could lead to increased investor inflows and a more mature ecosystem. Overall, this is a bullish sign for the industry's mainstream integration. Ethereum's market value to realized value ratio is approaching overbought levels, hinting at potential profit-taking and short-term correction. When ETH gets close to overheated zones, traders often start securing profits, which can lead to minor pullbacks. However, sustained momentum could still push prices higher if buying interest persists. For investors, this suggests caution. While ETH remains strong, a pause or correction might be on the horizon. It's worth monitoring the MVRV ratio as an indicator of market exhaustion or continued strength. Today's crypto news highlights recent trends affecting Bitcoin, decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and regulation. Staying updated helps traders make informed decisions amid volatile markets. The latest events often set the tone for short-term moves. Understanding daily shifts can provide crucial trading cues. Overall, keeping an eye on daily developments is vital for seizing opportunities or avoiding risks in the fast-changing crypto landscape. Bernstein has shared insights on various ways to invest in Ethereum, including direct purchases, ETFs, and institutional products. Their analysis suggests multiple avenues for investors to gain exposure to ETH, catering to both retail and institutional players. As institutional interest grows, Ethereum's price could see sustained upward momentum. Making early or diversified investments might be potentially rewarding. For traders, understanding these options indicates increased liquidity and mainstream acceptance. This can boost Ethereum's market stability and growth prospects. Apple is racing to catch up in artificial intelligence, as competitors accelerate their AI strategies. The tech giant's efforts are reportedly late, especially while they revisit manufacturing operations in China. For crypto markets, the broader tech sector's AI advancements can influence blockchain innovation, decentralized applications, and investment flows. A strong push by tech giants like Apple into AI could indirectly boost blockchain technology adoption. However, delays might also open opportunities for competitors to gain market share. Experts warn that blockchain security needs to localize risk detection to combat Asia's rising crypto crime wave. Without public-private cooperation, illicit activities can flourish, shaking trust in digital currencies. For the crypto ecosystem, this emphasizes the importance of stronger security measures. If actions are taken swiftly, it could improve overall trust and stability. However, ongoing security breaches might hinder mainstream adoption. Security enhancements are crucial for maintaining positive market sentiment. S&P Dow Jones is exploring partnerships to launch tokenized versions of its major indexes on exchanges and decentralized finance platforms. This move aims to bridge traditional finance and cryptocurrency, increasing accessibility and liquidity for investors. For crypto markets, such initiatives could attract institutional capital and boost confidence in decentralized investing. Overall, this development signals ongoing integration between traditional and digital assets, likely to positively influence market growth. Brevan Howard, a leading hedge fund, is now the biggest holder of Bitcoin ETF shares, with its investment in IBIT, which has an asset under management of $87.7 billion. This institutional backing shows strong confidence in Bitcoin as a long-term store of value. Such involvement can boost market legitimacy and attract more institutional flows. For traders, this indicates serious institutional interest. This often precedes rising prices and increased market stability, bullish signals for Bitcoin. Apple's efforts to advance in artificial intelligence are reportedly behind those of rivals, who are rapidly increasing their investments. The company is also re-evaluating its manufacturing operations in China, which adds complexity to its AI ambitions. Such delays could impact Apple's market competitiveness. In a broader sense, increased AI development from major tech firms may signal a bullish trend driven by technology for related sectors. This includes blockchain innovations inspired by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence.